We're very privileged to have the Epic Dental Lab right next door to us, in that they'll come over if we're having a real difficult shade issue where you've got to match patients' teeth, and there's a lot of times so many colors within a tooth that the lab tech will come over, do the shade with us, make sure the shade mapping on a single tooth or a full mouth reconstruction is just right for the patient. They'll come back in when we're seating these cases, and they're here for the seating, and lab techs don't get that, and dentists don't get that. Dentists will typically send off to a lab, either locally or to China even, get back a material or a crown that at that point they put in, and if it's not right, it's not right. But here, if it's not right, we change it, and we change it right then and there, because our patients are billboards in the community for us.
Having us next door is amazing for the patients. You don't get that anywhere else. We're there from when the patient comes in till the teeth are actually placed, and anything that they need, we're always there for them.
Our dental lab that we have right next door is phenomenal. They're artists. I don't think that there's a better way to put it.